That is one of my greatest worries always is I do lots and lots of interviews with people. And sometimes I will hear something that's absolutely spectacular that they will tell me off the record or just as background. And then the question is it true? And it's one thing to hear them tell you that, but then you have to find out if it's right. So there are two things about that. Are they telling you their opinion, or are they telling you something that they claim happened that's can be checked factually? So if somebody tells me that they worked at some company from December of 2022 to March of 2023, and they were on this floor with five other people, and this one supervisor was constantly harassing the other people in the department, I can check some of those things. I can find out if that person actually worked there, if they worked in that department, if the supervisor they gave was correct. There are ways for me to find out if the outline of the story is factually correct. And then you have to believe the source or not, if they have any documentation, if they have notes or anything like that. Now, if they're giving you their opinion, it's somewhat different. So if they say, I was here and I'm of the belief that this person was completely off their rocker and were just crazy during that time, I wouldn't have trusted them with anything at all. You need to go more for the facts. Why did you feel like that? What was it? What did they do that made you feel like that? So my Substack is called Just the Facts. And obviously no story is just the facts, but I like to get to the facts because they help me determine the credibility of a source. So I try to always find out those things that they can tell me that give me the structure to verify myself the accuracy of what they've recounted.